It's not always the destination, it's the journey. So never forget to enjoy the journey and the history that you made too along the way. Never forget you in your own story. That's it. Look at the colors.
Do we need to practice rowing by any chance?
The leaves are turning.
Technically,
It's
I'm
autumn.
Yeah, I'm good.
If you can't get to the mountains,
good.
come out here. It's the last canoe hike technically of the year. Beautiful. Gorgeous.
I want to say 300 or 400 years.
Ooh,
Maybe more.
little Cypress Street.
Yeah, no. Wish we looked like that too.
I know. I'm reminding you,
This is our oldest Cypress tree.
this is not even hitting bottom, so this is, the base is even bigger than that.
And so this is the oldest cypress tree that we have on the property that we found so far. Say 300 or 400 years old, somewhere around there. Yeah.